In today's video, I'm working on a 14 by 18 inch canvas, and I wanted to do another dip technique. This one is going to be a little bit different. I've done some of these split canvas dips before, and I wanted to try it out again. So I'm just using white for my base coat, and then I have a couple of shades of purple, a very light pink, and a silver mixed up. And I'm going to do flowers down half of my canvas from one corner to the other and put it in kind of a half diamond or triangle pattern over the canvas. And I just have each of my colors mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water. And I have my nitrile gloves that I'm going to use for my dipping. I used these colors in a previous video, and I ran my dips down the middle of my canvas, and they were quite close together, and I wanted to try and make these flowers a little bit looser and just see what kind of designs I could get. I wasn't too completely happy with the way that the previous ones dried, so I just want to see if kind of spacing them out a little bit more would look a little bit better. But like I said, I'm just filling up half of my canvas with the pink puddles, and then I'm just going to start by circling those or putting a ring of my purples around the pink, and then add in a small amount of my silver for just a nice pop of metallic color in there. I just gently dripped some of the silver right into those puddles of paint. And these are what I would consider to be a little bit looser. They're not so tight right up against each other. And I think I really like the way that these came out better than my previous canvas that I did with these colors. But once I had the silver down, I just took one of my gloves and blew it up, and then I hold the end close, and then I hold the fingers and just push it right into my puddles of paint. These flower shapes turned out really pretty. I didn't want a lot of that excess paint to transfer, so I just wiped the glove right on my surface and just keep going through and dipping all of my puddles on my canvas. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Overall, I really like the way that this one turned out better compared to the last one. And these colors are really beautiful together, but if you have other suggestions for colors that you'd like to see, especially with the dip technique, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I do put out 2 videos a week right now, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.